A very good morning to all of you. This side Rohit here, and I am the host for the day for a very beautiful show, ASL Talks, presented by America's Spoken Language. That I would like to thank you all of you for giving your precious time from your happy schedule. This show is gonna be so excited and so inspiring as it is all about our freedom fighters. Who is a good leader, a good politician, and a barrister as well. Audience, do you have any kind of guess?
Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Mahatma Gandhi.
No, sir, it is not right. What is I'll let you know that Sri Vallabhbhai Jawaharbhai Patel. So how do you feel after coming here?
It is good feeling for me because the show is very good for me, and I have seen so many shows and so many speakers on these shows.
Sir, please have a seat then. So, sir, as we all know that your name is Sri Vallabhbhai Jawaharbhai Patel, but you often called as Sardar Vallabh Patel. So, we want to know that how did you get that title of Sardar?
Our title was given by the Mahatma Gandhi and Bardoli in 1928. I was leading the Bardoli movement.
When you first met with Gandhi, and how was your bond with Gandhi? As you called as Elder M. Jindal.
I met with the Gandhi first time in 1970 in Bihar, in Champaran, because Gandhiji was leading the Champaran movement.
So, sir, when you decided to fight for the independence of our country, so what kind of things motivated you to fight for the nation?
So the independence is good for us because of that. Many million people wanted to independence.
In the process of to get freedom, a non-cooperation movement was headed by Mahatma Gandhi, and you were also part of that movement. We want to know that how that movement shaped your view.
Non-competition movement was very good, and because I have listened so many things about the Mahatma Gandhi. Every time Mahatma Gandhi was lead the movement without any violence, and that is a good. I learned so many things that how to lead the movement, protest, okay, and how to convince the people. It is a very good way for me because every person should know about that.
After all difficulties, we got freedom. But after getting freedom, we got over 500 princely states, and it was very hard to unite all those princely states into the one Indian Union. So we to achieve that remarkable work.
And first of all, I want to say that that is the very biggest problem, and I agree to all desire of princes because I wanted to make a one United States in India, and we got the freedom in 1947. And after the freedom, it was a successful because princess states.
Okay. So, sir, could you please give us permission because our audience wants to ask something to you.
Yes.
So, audience, it's your time. You can ask any question, whatever you want to ask.
Sir, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, sir, I have a question for you. That when India got freedom, that time Congress wants you to be a prime minister, but somehow the Nehru got that chance. Could you please, briefly give me the information about that? Like, why didn't you get that chance?
Because Gandhiji was said to me that you should take back from a Congress party because we had a 12 seat out of 15, but Gandhiji was said to me that you should take back.
Sir, I just want to know that what kind of challenges were there when you unite all states in India?
Okay, I wanted to agree to all princes states, all princes that he has many desires, and we had to agree to all desires.
Sir, what was your biggest breakdown when you were fighting for the freedom for India?
When Gandhiji was saying to me that take back from a Congress party, I had 12 seats out of 15. That is the very biggest achievement for me.
But as you know that you are very famous for making the unity and harmony between our society. So you just must be educated. So as you are very famous for making or implementing unity in between of our society, what kind of advices do you want to give to our society, which are divided right now on the basis of religion, on the basis of their caste systems, and on the basis of some kind of things like the poverty and the you can take the example of financial levels. Like we guys are diversified in between of these kind of terms. So how you will handle these kind of situations also as you
Okay, we had so many religions and like Muslim, Hindu, and Punjabi also, and we wanted to make countries. Okay, that's why I agreed to all principally.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your inspiring words. Your legacy will be continued. And thank you.
Thank you.